do you think then? Shall we welcome death or not?
자, 그 죽는 날이 말이야. 죽는 날은 뭐 때문에 죽을 것이냐 할 때 하나님의 참사랑을 위해서.
So we have to put the meaning even to death. For what should we die? We should die for the fulfillment of the love of God, for craving, for fulfilling the craving of love of God, or reaching out to God. Well, that is the message.
무한한 하나님 사랑의 활동권을 내가 동참하기 위해서 육신을 벗기 하나님의 사랑의 세계를 위해서 육신을 벗는다.
In a way, death, physical death, means that we are getting rid of our clumsy physical body, vehicle. In other words.
하나님 사랑 가운데서 태어났다 할 때는 그 하나님이 인간 세계를 볼 때는 말이야. 아이고 죽는다 하더니 하나님 볼 때는 꼴꼴 웃겠다. 하나님이
욕심가잖아.
인간 세계 울고 하는 거 볼 때 하나님 볼 때 웃겠나. 어떡하나.
God, who enjoyed the total freedom in the universe, when they're looking down and looking at the children, men on earth, who are suffering from one event after another, crying in a sad sometimes, emotionally disturbed and hurt with the little trivial things. What do you think? God looking down at children, what do you think? God feel very, what? Awkward?
Huh?
God feels very, God can laugh at it. Laugh at it. What do you think? Does he?
제한된 사랑권에서 무제한의 사랑권으로 들이받을 수 있는 기쁨을 받을 수 있는 것이 제2의 출생 죽음길을 통과하는 그 순간이 아니거든요.
So another birth, the new birth, God intended to give to man. Unfortunately we call it death. But in the God's scheme of creation, that is another birth, new birth. That is, get rid of the shackles of limitation of physical body, total freedom, total the leap and jump, total environment where we can getting into, so that we will not be restricted by anything. That's the status we're gaining through the second birth.
그렇다면 오늘 너 육신을 난 나를 기뻐하겠나 제2의 무한학대 세계의 사랑을 위해서 활동한 아들로 태어나는 그 시간을 기뻐하겠나 하나님이.
What is it then? Then we say the day the children were born is a day of joy and should be remembered. And it ought to be remembered. It must be remembered. What about then the second birth, which is we commonly call death, but actually it's a total liberation. We're giving ourselves a new birth into a totally free universe, new universe, where we can enjoy total love and total love freedom. So, once we are given a total freedom, we can, we can exercise the dominion over an entire universe without any restriction.
그 관심 있어?
Are you interested?
Yes. 진짜 관심 있어?
Are you really interested?
관심 있어? 그러려면 어떻게 되냐면 하나님이 하지 말고 하라 하는 그런 법도를 지켜야만 그 가능하다. 내 마음대로 해서 가능하지 않다 하는 것은 이러지.
죽기 전에 말씀.
그럼.
But importantly, however, all right, everybody interested in freedom, total liberation, total joy, total love. In order to do that, we gotta do something before we die. Just a simple death would not bring such freedom, such a joy. We got to obey God, His commandment, while we are here on earth.
하나님이 하지 말고 하라는 걸 할 수 있어?
So, are we ready to obey God? Are we ready to obey His commandment? His commandment to the letter, every iota, every dot. Shall we keep the principle and the commandment?
그럼 사람은 이중이 될 때 마음이 주체고 몸띠는 상대니 몸과 마음이 하나잖아. 이에서야 완.
All right? So, now, the first law is that man is double, dual creature. One is spirit, one is body. Spirit man and the physical body, or mind and body, we call it commonly. And the mind is the subject. The body is the object. And the object must obey the mind. That is the law. That is the principle. Are we interested in doing it?
그래서 사람은 3세계, 서생장은 복중, 물세계, 기단, 지상, 지구성세계, 생계, 그 다음에는 천상, 공기세계.
지상이라고 공기죠. 천상이.
여기 진짜 물세계, 복중에는 물시대, 그 다음에 100년 이 지상에 태어나서 100년 땅시대, 그 다음에 날아가는 공기시대. 3시대는 물시대.
The man is designed by creation of God to live three distinctive lives. One life is coming, even without you knowing, in the vegetation period, within the womb of the mother. When you are conceived, you live one life already. And you one life within the water. You've been surrounded by the water, liquid.
그 복중에 있을 때는, 아이고, 이거 나가고, 저 밖에서가 나가려고 하다가 나 여기 붙어 있다.
So, when you were there, inside the mother's womb, you were there, and would you feel very, very congested and, very tightened up, and you feel that I just want to go out somewhere, the wider space, or would you stay within it? That particular baby, automatically, naturally want to stay within or want to get out.
요만한 구멍으로 누가 빨리 나가려고 아이고 좋다.
The door or window that the baby should come out is very small. All right. When God telling the baby said, you have to get out that door, would they say, oh, no, I couldn't do it, He'll be scared, or he'd say, no problem.
내가 있는 집이 다 파괴되고 말이야. 내가 살던 영양같이 모든 것 전부 다 깨달아가고 내 머리도 그저 늘어나야 되고 몸띠는 늘어나야 되고 그래도 좋아. 전부가 노화가 나의 예상한.
So, in order to get out of that particular window or door to another world, it's going to be incredible revolution is taking place. The disorder, disarray. You have to break off your shackle, and incredible, the pressure should be added, and all kinds of pain is going to be observed. Then, when you recognize all that, any baby will say, I'm willing to do it. Or every baby will say, no, I don't want it. No, I'd rather stay here.
나기 전 시간까지 어머니가 죽다가 힘으로 나는 시간까지 no.
So all the baby, the very moment the mother gave him a birth, or give her birth, that very moment, until that moment, no baby willingly want to come out. They just don't want to stay. They just don't want to come out. They are scared of it, and resisting, demonstrating, no, I don't want to go anywhere else. I want to be comfortable here. And until the mother gave a final push, then that reluctant that baby come out outside the world and start to cry, very sad.
자, 그리고 한 세계는 왕창 펴지고 한 세계는 숨을 더.
In a way, for baby, it's equivalent to birth of death. The pain of death. It's almost like a dying. It's impossible thing is happening. And incredible, unimaginable things happening to the baby. It's
자, 내 껍질에 탯줄 달린 그걸 다시 써야 되나 잘라버리라.
So, anyway, he was released from the mother's body, came out of mother's womb. Now, there was a certain, rope, that connected to the mother that has been receiving certain element from the mother, certain energy from the mother. Then that is like a, what he should continually keep and trying to receive the energy from it, or has to be cut off?
그 놈의 생명줄인데 하나로 생명줄을 끌어버려. 어떻게 생명줄을 끌어버려?
So it's cut, and then the navel is being cut off, and it's totally destructive. According to baby, that is a lifeline. Well, it's been my supply. Where can I get the breakfast? Where? You know? That's my supply line. It's my supply line. The baby was very unhappy.
그걸 볼 때 하나님이 울게 애기는 죽겠다 울지만은 울지만은 하나님 볼 때 웃겠나 울겠나.
Well, about the baby was so sad. That moment is almost the pain of death. You know, I'm so unhappy. Everybody cutting myself off. Even the lifeline cut off. My supply line is no more. So crying and a crying and a crying. God looking down the crying baby. God will be smiling or sympathetic. Is it crying together with the baby or very much smiling? What is it?
짱이 마찬가지야. 우리 공기세가 세상에서 지금 닭들 가지고 몸뚱이 여기서 붙어가지고 딱 채워가지고 여기서 안아가서 빨아먹던 영양체가 이게 다 늙어서 차버리고 나가는데 아이고 안 죽겠다 할 때 그 가끝에 하나님 볼 때 그 스마일이 나갔나 아이고 동정하네 이놈의 강나야 이놈의 자식아.
It is exactly the same. The transformation from this world to another world is exactly the same process. You know, we think this is the only life. We just stick to this planet. Just come to New York, right? We won't stay here. But actually, you know, time comes, God sees another planet, another birth, that a new world is waiting. God will push us into that world. But we're so reluctant. We say, no. Don't touch me. Don't push me there.
배를 태워나가지고 어머니 아버지가 치고와가지고 사람의 대상이 될 수 있는 것이 육신생활이라면 영원한 무한한 하나님의 우리 아버지라면 영적 아버지라면 영적 아버지와 상대할 수 있는 사람으로 태어나는 것이 이것이 원칙적인 결론이다.
It is a natural conclusion. Ultimately, all men and women are supposed to be consummated to the love freedom that God, our Father, can enjoy. That is freedom of spirit thought. This clumsy
태안에서 태아가 태어나가지고 어머니 아버지 친구들을 지장되고 어머니 아버지와 사랑을 같이 할 수 있는 지장되고와 마찬가지로 영적 무한 세계를 통할 수 있는 하나님 부모 앞에서 태어날 수 있는 그런 상대적인 다름을 차지하지 않고는 도저히 하나님 아들 될 수 없다는 얘기.
The creation is already designed so that parents and children are enjoying life together. In order to enjoy their life together, the baby inside the mother's womb come out in the same fashion as parents, so that we can talk to daddy, talk to mommy, and become one family and enjoy life together. By the same token, ultimately, we are given to another birth where we can join with the eternal Father, which is God, and live with Him forever in the same form, same person. That is not logical. That has been from the very first day creation has been planned.
그렇게 살 때 여기서 전부 다 하나님 본축대로서 태안에서 정상적인 알게 사는 것 마찬가지로 여기서 짠짠해 되겠나 함부로 잘해 되겠나.
So what you're saying? So we are almost it's our physical life here on Earth. It's a planet. One life here on the planet is like compared to life in the mother's womb. So that baby should be careful himself or herself in the mother's womb, very, very careful. By the same token, once you live good life and a healthy life in time of God, all the entire period we are remaining on earth, shall we live healthy? Shall we live very carefully and following certain rules and the laws and the principles? Yes or no?
물건에 건축도 나고 말이야. 건축도 나고 나무 영면에는 나무 썩이 날아갈 줄 알고 새색이 날아갈 수 있는데 사람은 날아갈 줄 몰라.
Look at this. When you see the insect, the egg can become warm. The warm become the little butterfly or flying insect. It becomes a flying insect and a flying all over the world. All the nature, right?
숨을 쉬고 날아갈 줄 알는데.
You see? Can't you ever thought about Even insect can fly. Why can we not fly? Why can I not fly?
그럼 너도 댄들러, 예? 그 단법은 말이야. 그 자연 날개 돼 있다. 있다. 날아가는 데 있다.
Even a plant, like a dandelion. No. Dandelions. It's ultimately, it's blossoming even what one sees. They're parachuted and they're going all over the nation, all over.
그런데 새도 날고 곤충도 날고 식물도 날고인데 아니 만물이 없는 사람도 날.
What about? Even a plant can fly, bird can fly, insect can fly. What about me? The supreme creature, supposedly supreme creature. I'm at the image of God, but I'm the only one who cannot fly. How ridiculous that notion is.
하나님 보고 가만히 가서 하나님 가난데 난 왜 날개 못해서 하나님이요? 그 한영시잖아.
The very moment you recognize that fact, I'm sure every one of you can be able to, can be in a position to protest to God, saying that, Mr. God, what happened, my dad? You made everybody the capability of flying. Why not me? Why you created me without wings? Why I'm so clumsy? Why have to only walk?
그 때문에 야야 가만히 가라. 너 저 몇십 년만 지내면 그게 될 텐데 기다려. 그럴 땐 그래? 그건
All answer is very simple. Your will. Your will. And all you have to do is just wait a few decades. You'll fly better than any creature under the sun. Any, faster than the Concorde.
그럼 뭐 그때 새 가서 마케팅으로 훈련하는 거야. 어머니 아버지하고 좋아야 하나님 쪽을 좋아하고 신랑하고 좋아야 저 나라에 가가지고 하나님 아버지를 좋아하고 다 훈련장이 지상세계다.
But God is saying, but you've got something to do down there. Don't waste your time. You have to practice. You have to go to a workshop of life. Do, rehearse the things I'm asking you to do. By doing so, the day comes, you shall be totally enjoying the freedom. What that the God is trying to say to us.